This is going to be a very, I'd say, obvious video. Okay, it's pretty self-explanatory, but it's something that a lot of you need to hear. And I know that I've struggled with it in my life a lot, especially as a teenager. I was quite a lazy teenager. I was someone who was always in a victim mindset as a teenager and just was always basically complaining, not out loud, but just in my own mind about why things weren't working out for me and why things worked out for other people, and why did I have to do this, why did I have to do that. And I just didn't work hard enough, and that's going to be the main point of this video. It's only going to be a short video, but I just need to tell you that you need to work hard. Whatever you need, whatever you are looking to achieve, whether that is you're watching this channel because you want to start creating an income for yourself, you want to start your own successful brand, a dropshipping store, you want to be a successful Etsy seller, you want to be a personal trainer, okay, you want to be a professional gamer, whatever it may be, you need to work hard at it. Whatever it was that I did, the reason I was able to achieve it was because I worked hard. I didn't complain. The moment I stopped complaining, the moment I started blaming myself and holding myself accountable for things that were working or not working in my life, that was when things started to go up. That was when it seemed like I started having luck. Okay. And a lot of people throw that word around. A lot of people say that, oh, they're just lucky. It's a reason why they're doing so well. They're just lucky or they're talented. I understand that, and I believe that there is luck involved in everyone's lives. Okay. Some people have things that other people don't. There's circumstances that you can't change. I understand that. But the thing that is apparent to me, is quite apparent, is that the more that people work hard, those people that work excessively hard, that work overly hard at what they want to achieve, the more luck they tend to have. Okay? It happens with me. Same thing happens with me. I am not special in any kind of way. It's just that I find myself, the thing that I'd say would set myself apart to a lot of other people is that I don't give up with a lot of things. I work hard, and if I really believe in it and I want to achieve something, I will basically go to the ends of the earth to try and achieve that. Okay, unless I know that I either don't want it or I've tried everything that I can possibly do and it just doesn't work out, I move on to the next thing. I am one of those people that believe that people were luckier than others, believe that people had these hidden talents that no one else apparently had, until I started working hard myself. And then that's when I started gaining more luck, because I found that the harder that I worked, the more luck that followed. Okay, the more good things were happening to me, and I'm just at that point now where I know that if things are sort of slowing down, or if things are at a standstill, it means I'm doing something in my life. Maybe I need to change a few things around. Maybe I need to make some more sacrifices. When I make more sacrifices and when I work harder, that's when things begin to work out. So I think that's just something that is really important in this video, is that you just need to realize that a lot of this stuff is in your control. And most of the time, if you think you're working hard, you're maybe not working hard enough. Or if you think that things need to come sooner than what they are, it just means you're not working hard enough. It means that you need to have patience as well, because a lot of people, they work hard at something for a week and they don't see any results, so they stop. It's not about that. You need to make sure that you are working hard at it. You need to set your own goals and you need to be persistent with it. Okay? Anything that has worked out for me, not only have I worked hard, I've also been extremely persistent, even when times seem really tough and it's stagnant and things aren't working out and there's just a lot of problems happening. You got to look at it in a sense of, okay, what can I change to improve it? And how can I work hard in different areas to change the directory of what's happening, to change my direction, to actually get to where I want to be. It's success, you see those images. Success isn't just a straight line. It's always up and down, okay? It's always up and down. You have low lows and you have high highs. It's just part of life. So, my main message here is work hard and be persistent. It's all about working hard, okay? It's all about working harder than what you think you should work. Okay, us as humans, we want to be safe. We want to be secure. We want to, we don't want to push ourselves out of our comfort zone. But what you'll find is that the majority of your success and things you haven't experienced before are just outside of your comfort zone. So keep that in mind. Stay safe out there and work hard.